So I had to go move my truck to higher ground. Hopefully we still out the tornado path. I'm soaking wet with my trailer, like I'm gonna lose my trailer. It's fucking it's wet, but I ain't gonna lose it. It's gonna be wet. Report line KRED Red Liquor Radio. Damn, son. I gotta get the fuck. Look. Fuck. Where I'm gonna go? Oh, it's Mr. L'sssss coming at you live from Ground Zero, New Orleans. CBD meets Mid City meets Gravia. That's where I'm at, man. So anyway, here is where I stayed. This is a hotel that I had gotten for Essence Fest for one night. So I was supposed to have a very serious encounter involving two females. But who knows? You know, sometimes it doesn't go like that. But anyway, that is asshole ass bartender up in there. This is at the Young Hotel, G-U-N-G, who told me he can't accept my ID. I need to take better care of my ID. Like, man, what? Now look at his workplace. He out of work, man. See how karma works. So anyway, that was from yesterday's 100-year flood, July 10th marked the day of the 100-year flood that our levees was supposed to take care of. Now this is actually it was capable due to some flood early activity of what will be known, or was currently known as of 11 o'clock Central Daylight Time, as Tropical Storm Barry, but it probably will move on to Hurricane Barry. So I believe 74 miles per hour. Maximum sustained winds indicate that it's a Category 1 hurricane and goes up to Category 5 and so on. Well, up to Category 5. So there's a potential of the overtopping of levees. That's very concerning. Okay, certain parts of the city are under the projected Mississippi River crest. The Mississippi River is projected to crest, which means it'll begin to go back down at 20 feet. All right. Most of the city is prepared for 20 feet crest. Most notably, however, Algiers Point has levees at 19 feet. So there's a very big chance that Algiers Point will have a very high river and may see some overtopping of levees. And that's the God honest truth. Also, the mighty Mississippi has been very high for quite a few months. because all of the rain that took place in the Midwest, all of it flows into the Mississippi River Basin and through New Orleans. So that's why they had in the Gulf of Mexico a lot of aquatic animal kills due to toxic algae from freshwater origins and toxic waste that people up north put in the rivers. So these levees have been battling this Mississippi River for quite some time. It was an abnormal year for the height of the Mississippi River. So that being said, they have been saturated for a very long time. That increases the risk of a breach potential. And we know that in the Katrina years that they purposely blown or set borders into the lemons to free up other more desirable parts of town. So Katrina, and that was the case in Betsy. So I think I'm gonna try to hunker down and ride this one out. I was not here for Katrina. I was going to school in Florida for undergrad, and I wasn't able to experience anything that catastrophic. Not that I wanted to be here, but you know, it's kind of like, damn, you weren't even here for Katrina. How you gonna consider yourself New Orleanian? So I'm gonna stay for this flood. The only time I leave it, if they issue a mandatory evacuation, then I'll just have to leave. But otherwise, I'm gonna stay. Voluntary evacuation, I'll stay. Got my fuel, got my water. Get some shit to eat. And I'll be all right. So, yeah, man. So we're just trying to wait out to see if I'm going to get flooded out. And I just had to put my survival gear on and be a survivor like the CBS sitcom, not like the Destiny Child, not them survivors. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. All right, man. Y'all take care. Hopefully, I'll be able to post again and not be flooded away. And hopefully, I can help others. That's the main. I want to help others. You know what I'm saying? So, like, comment, and subscribe. This has been another edition of MrMisterL's.